Welcome back to Code Emily. This video is a part of a series all about manipulating arrays.
Let's talk about the reverse method. Say we have an array of life stages, but we were trying to build this for Benjamin Button, the guy who was born an old man and becomes a baby as he grows up. Reverse will come in handy for this. The reverse method manipulates the array itself. It reverses the order of the data inside the array. Let's talk about the reverse method syntax. This is the array to be reversed, and this is the call to the reverse method itself.
Let's dive into some code.
Here's the array of life stages. Let's call .reverse on the array. Then we'll print this to the console and run the file in Node to see the output. A reversed array, Benjamin Button. Three, two, one.